back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today's adventure is Isabella from Paula Young in the color Honey Rooted. So honey, as you know, is one of my favorite Paula Young colors, and this one has a root. Isn't that awesome? So it looks like a basic bob. So let's take a look at the inside cap. So we have a basic Paula Young cap. We've got the front. It's not really velour, it's just the basic, but we do have all of the hair sewn into it, which makes it look realistic. We have basic open ears again. All of the hair is sewn into it, so it makes, it covers really nice over here when they do that. And then we have an extended nape. It's just a basic extended nape that's kind of open wefted. And then let's see what we have for stretch. Oh, it's got good stretch on it. So let's see. Let's see what she looks like. I've been really liking the bobs lately. I've been wearing a lot of the bobs. Okay, I'm gonna tuck that back underneath. I got the Milano wig rib cap on. Oh, it's got a side part. Didn't realize that. So let's get this up to the right spot. Oh, this is cute. Make sure we've got this on right. Got decent stays. Oh, this is cute. Very cute. I like the side part. So let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love it. Very pretty. The part looks decent, but I'm just going to try to clean it up a little bit. Let's just take the comb through it. See what we got here. Just in case we've got a little bit of crisscross, we want to comb that out. Oh yeah, very pretty. Oh, I like this. Doesn't feel like I've got her in the right spot. Let's see. I think that's a little better. Okay. Very nice. See if I get this right. Oh yeah, I like, very nice, very face framing. I love how it kind of comes in a little bit. See that? Very, very pretty. Oh, I like this one. Let's see what she has for permatease. Oh, there's not really any permatease. Maybe a little bit right here, feels like. But this is good. For those of you that don't like permatease, this has a good density, very good density. It's not thin. It's got a good set of hair here without having permatease, which is really nice for those of you who don't like the permatease. So it doesn't feel very thick on your head. Yeah, this is cute. This is very cute. Let me take you all around. Really like how it falls. It's a really good length. Oh yeah, this is very pretty. She doesn't need any real styling. She just kind of combs out nice. Very smooth looking. Very, very cute. All right, I'm gonna show you my outfit and then I will come back at the end of the night and let you know how she wore. Otherwise, she's just a regular basic cap from Paula Young. Again, this is in Honey Rooted Isabella. All right, let's go see my outfit. All right, everyone, here's my outfit. I've got this really nice pattern. It's black, red, and white patterned over sweater, really long. I got my, I don't know if you can see, I've got my red boots on. But yeah, so this is my outfit for today with Isabella. She's gorgeous. Looks really cute. I'm off to work and I will come back tonight and let you know how the wig wore. Thanks for stopping by. Hi everyone, welcome back. It is the end of night summary, so I wanted to just give you an update on Isabella. I have to tell you, she is a real winner. I love the rooting with the honey. I love the bob. I love the way, oh, I hate when I keep saying the density in this wig really, really spot on. And the way that it curves in is just perfect. I had to, you know, a little bit put it out of my face and stuff, but that's what you would do with a regular bob haircut. So it doesn't matter that it's a wig. And I can, you know, pull this back a little bit, but I love kind of where it falls and that it kind of covers half your face, and it's just so cute. I enjoyed this wig so much tonight, and I've got a little piece right here wanting to do something, so I might have to, you know, blow dry it back a little bit, but perfect. Love the density, love the color, love the style. I love the length. The length is really good. Sits just about on top of your shoulder, so it doesn't really hit anything. So I'm hoping, I didn't check before I filmed this video this morning, if Isabella is still on the Paula Young site. I hope that she still is, and if she's in clearance, you ladies, grab her and pick her up. If you like bobs, this one is, oh, this piece right here is bothering me. This one right here is beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm telling you, the density, and it's got no permatease, so it's not a lot of buildup of permatease. The density is just perfect on this. A nice full head of hair. It's not super thick, just a nice good head of hair. So Isabella, this piece is bothering me. In honey rooted, thumbs up, perfect. Go get yourself one. Thanks for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and you'll be notified of every upload that I make. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. You know, I appreciate each and every one of you. Talk to you soon. Bye.